Okay, so picture this. It's 2 a.m., research papers are scattered everywhere, and something about oregano oil and black seed oil just doesn't add up. Wait, actually, it adds up perfectly. That's the problem. Or maybe it's the solution. Look, what's been discovered about combining these two oils is kind of ridiculous, and you need to hear about it before your head explodes from curiosity. Here's the thing. Most people think oil of oregano is just something you'd drizzle on pizza if you were feeling fancy. And black seed oil, that's not even on most people's radar. But here's what happens when someone falls down the research rabbit hole on these two. Things get interesting, fast. These two oils together, it's like finding out that peanut butter and jelly are actually a power couple backed by science. So buckle up because things are about to get nerdy in the best way possible. All right, let's start with the basics. Oil of oregano. Not the stuff from the spice rack, but the concentrated essential oil is packed with compounds called carvacrol and thymol. Sounds like a law firm, right? Carvacrol and thymol, attorneys at law. But according to Force and colleagues in the Journal of Applied Microbiology, these compounds are genuinely impressive. According to Bert's research in the International Journal of Food Microbiology, they have antimicrobial properties that can take on bacteria, fungi, even some viruses. This little oil is out here fighting battles most people don't even know about. Now, black seed oil, also called Nigella sativa, which honestly sounds like a Harry Potter spell. According to Ahmad and colleagues in the Asian Pacific Journal of Tropical Biomedicine, this stuff has been used for literally thousands of years. Some cultures call it the seed of blessing. It contains thymoquinone, and according to Direction's research in evidence-based complementary medicine, it's got anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and immune-supporting properties that are honestly kind of mind-blowing. So yeah, on their own, these oils are like the overachievers in class. But wait until you hear what happens when they team up. Here's where things get really interesting. Oil of oregano is basically that friend who's really good at fighting. Antimicrobial action is its superpower. Black seed oil is more like that friend who keeps the peace and makes sure everyone stays balanced. It helps modulate the immune system and calm down inflammation. So when these two team up, it's not just two bodyguards doing the same thing. It's one who's ready to throw hands and another who's making sure the whole security system is running smoothly. And according to Wagner and Ulrich Merzenich's research in phytomedicine, there's actual science on how natural compounds work together in combination therapies. When compounds that work on different pathways get combined, they can enhance each other. It's called synergy, and it's not just some wellness buzzword. According to Lange's study in the International Journal of Antimicrobials, combinations of natural antimicrobials often needed lower doses to get the same effect, which means potentially fewer side effects and better tolerance. Now, are there 50 peer-reviewed studies specifically on oregano oil plus black seed oil? Not yet. But the individual mechanisms, they line up so perfectly, it's almost suspicious. Okay, quick pause. If you're finding this interesting, or if you just enjoy watching someone get way too excited about plant oils, hit that subscribe and like button. Also, drop a comment. Have you tried this oil mixture before? All right, let's get back to it. So you're probably thinking, okay, cool story, but what does this actually do? Great question. Let's break down what the research says. Benefit number 1, enhanced immune support. Your immune system is basically your body's personal security team. According to Salem's research in International Immunopharmacology, black seed oil helps train that security team to respond appropriately, not freaking out over nothing, but also not sleeping on the job. Oregano oil brings the actual weapons to fight off intruders, so there's training plus firepower. That's a solid combo. Benefit number 2, powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is like that one friend who shows up uninvited and then won't leave. It's linked to basically everything that can go wrong in the body. According to Hosseinzade's study in phytotherapy research, thymoquinone from black seed oil has serious anti-inflammatory game. Oregano oil's carvacrol also fights inflammation, but through different pathways. So inflammation is basically being told to leave through the front door and the back door. Benefit number 3, respiratory health support. This one's huge, especially during cold and flu season. According to Boscabadi's research in respiratory medicine, black seed oil has documented benefits for respiratory conditions. Oregano oil has antimicrobial properties that might help with infections. This combo could be a game changer. Benefit number 4, digestive system benefits. Gut health is everywhere these days. It's like the Beyoncé of health topics, but it's actually important. According to Cantor's study and the World Journal of Gastroenterology, black seed oil shows benefits for digestive health and gut inflammation. Oregano oil might help balance gut bacteria. Together, they're like a renovation team for the digestive system. Benefit number 5, antioxidant protection. Free radicals sound like a punk rock band, but they're actually unstable molecules that damage cells. According to Yanishleva's research in food chemistry, both oils are loaded with antioxidants that fight free radicals. Because they contain different types, the protection is diverse. Benefit number 6, bad breath and oral health. Here's one people don't talk about enough. According to Pruss and colleagues in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry, oil of oregano has antimicrobial properties that combat the bacteria responsible for bad breath. We're not just talking about masking the smell, this is about dealing with the source. Black seed oil's anti-inflammatory properties can support gum health. Just imagine having the confidence to talk up close without worrying about your breath. Benefit number 7, hair health and growth. According to Yosefi's research in the Avicenna Journal of Phytomedicine, black seed oil has been studied for hair growth and scalp health, potentially stimulating follicles and improving thickness. Oregano oil's antimicrobial properties help keep the scalp healthy. Some people apply them topically, while others take them internally for benefits including healthier hair. Benefit number 8, skin health and anti-aging. Both oils have properties that could support skin health. The antioxidants fight oxidative stress that contributes to aging. According to Yosefi's study in Complementary Therapies in Medicine, black seed oil has been researched for skin conditions including eczema and acne. Oregano oil's antimicrobial properties might help with acne-causing bacteria. Together, they're like a 1-2 punch for skin health. Benefit number 9, metabolic health support. According to Bamosa's research in Complementary Therapies in Medicine, black seed oil has been studied for blood sugar regulation and metabolic health. Some studies suggest it might help support healthy blood sugar levels and even assist with weight management. Oregano oil contributes anti-inflammatory effects that are important for metabolic health. This combo could be particularly interesting for people focused on maintaining healthy metabolic function. Benefit number 10, cardiovascular support. According to Tassawar's study in the Journal of Medicinal Plants Research, black seed oil shows potential benefits for blood pressure and cholesterol levels. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of both oils support cardiovascular health. It's not a replacement for medication or lifestyle changes, but it could be a valuable addition to a heart-healthy routine. Now, let's get specific about who might want to pay attention to this combination, because different people have different needs, right? Number 1, for seniors. As people age, immune function naturally declines. The immune-supporting and anti-inflammatory properties could help with joint discomfort, arthritis, and general inflammation. The cardiovascular support and antioxidant protection are bonuses for healthy aging. Number 2, for men. According to Koladuz's research in the Iranian Journal of Reproductive Medicine, black seed oil has been studied for testosterone support and reproductive health. Some studies suggest it might support healthy testosterone levels and sperm quality. The anti-inflammatory properties benefit prostate health. Plus, the hair growth support is relevant for men dealing with hair loss. Number 3, for women, non-pregnant. According to Heshmati and Namazi's study in the Journal of Herbal Medicine, black seed oil has been researched for hormonal balance and menstrual health. Some research suggests potential benefits for conditions like PCOS. The anti-inflammatory properties can help with menstrual cramps. Both oils support skin and hair health. Number 4, for athletes. The anti-inflammatory properties could support recovery. The immune support is valuable since intense training can temporarily suppress immune function. Plus, the respiratory support might benefit endurance athletes. And let's not forget the energy and metabolic support that could complement an active lifestyle. Number 5, for people with chronic inflammation. Anyone dealing with chronic inflammatory conditions might find this multi-pathway approach helpful. These oils address inflammation through different mechanisms, working together to calm things down from multiple angles. Number 6, for healthy aging. The antioxidant protection, skin health benefits, hair health support, and cellular protection make this combo interesting for anyone focused on aging well. It's not about vanity, it's about maintaining vitality and function as the years go by. All right, so let's get practical. Oil of oregano is potent, really potent. Most recommendations suggest using it for 2 to 4 weeks at a time. Black seed oil is gentler and can be used more consistently. You could cycle the oregano oil while keeping black seed oil as the steady companion. For dosages, research typically uses oregano oil extracts standardized to 70 to 85% carvacrol at 200 to 600 milligrams daily. For black seed oil, studies usually use 1 to 3 grams per day, which is roughly 1 to 2 teaspoons. For hair health, some people apply black seed oil directly to their scalp, leaving it for 30 minutes to an hour before washing. Oregano oil for topical use must be diluted. Never apply it straight to skin. A typical dilution is 1 drop of oregano oil to 1 teaspoon of carrier oil, like coconut or jojoba. For skin health, diluted oregano oil can be applied to problem areas, while black seed oil can be used as a facial oil. For oral health, oregano oil can be diluted in water as a mouth rinse. According to Fug Berman's research in The Lancet, these oils can interact with medications. Anyone considering this absolutely needs to talk to a healthcare provider first, especially if they are on medications, pregnant, nursing, have health conditions, or are considering this for children. Blood thinners, diabetes medications, and blood pressure medications are just a few examples where interactions could occur. Please be smart about this. Okay, real talk time. Let's be straight here, because this isn't about selling magic beans. There's solid, peer-reviewed research on oil of oregano. Check. There's solid research on black seed oil. Check. But specific studies on this exact combo used together, those are limited. Most of what we're working with comes from understanding each oil individually. Does that mean this combo is useless? Absolutely not. The mechanisms make total sense, and the theoretical benefits are strong. But there aren't dozens of clinical trials specifically on this combination. The goal here is being honest, sharing what the research shows, where the evidence is rock solid, and where educated inferences are being made. Here's the bottom line. Oil of oregano and black seed oil are both legit, well-researched, powerful compounds. When you look at how they work, Their different mechanisms, how they complement each other, combining them actually makes a ton of sense. It's strategic, not random. The research shows oregano oil is an antimicrobial powerhouse with anti-inflammatory benefits. Black seed oil brings immune modulation, antioxidant protection, and its own inflammation-fighting properties. Together, they're better than apart. Whether someone's concerned about immune health, aging, hair loss, skin issues, bad breath, or just overall wellness, this combo has something to offer. All right, your turn. Have you tried either of these oils before? Are you thinking about giving this combo a shot? Drop it in the comments. Every single one gets read, even the roasts. And listen, if you got something out of this video, even if it's just entertainment value, hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't, because deep dives like this happen regularly on this channel. And check out the other videos while you're here. Thanks for hanging out, and catch you in the next one.